Chapter 3 Migratory Birds. Before migrating, many birds enter a state of hyperphagia, where hormone levels compel them to drastically increase their body weight to store fat to use as energy while traveling. Some bird species may as much as double their body weight in the weeks leading up to migration. Migrating birds travels at a speed ranging from 15 to 50 miles per hour depending on the species. The great snipe flies around 4,200 miles at speed of up to 60 meter per hour. No other animal travels at such speeds for such long distances. Hawks, swifts, swallows, and waterfowl migrate primarily during the day, while many songbirds migrate at night, in part to avoid the attention of migrating predators such as raptors. The ruby-throated hummingbird migrates from the Yucatan peninsula of Mexico to the southeastern United States every spring, a journey of 500 to 600 miles over the Caribbean Sea that takes 24 hours without a break. Fact: the Arctic tern has the longest migration of any bird in the world. Hooray! Find more features of migratory bird.